Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be talking Sprinter prices. Mercedes Sprinter. If you've been into sort of van life or you've been looking at a van, then you'll know that Sprinters command a huge premium over other vans. You buy sort of a 100,000, 200,000 Sprinter for the price, or 200,000 mile Sprinter for the price of sort of a 50,000 mile Citroen Relay or something like that. So why do people pay that much money? Why did I pay that much money? And what factors do I think actually go into those costs? So let's get straight into it. So this here is my 2013 Mercedes Sprinter. We've bought it to convert into a camper van. As you can, I don't know if you can see it from here. We've put, there you go, 2 Max Fair fans on it. We're well through the process. We've got subfloor and everything in, but this channel is obviously more about the maintenance and sort of the ownership side of things of this vehicle. So yeah, that's what that's what I'm focused more on. I've got another channel with the van build coming, so if you want to know about that, subscribe so then you can know when that channel's launched. But these trucks or vans or whatever you want to call them are expensive. Now we paid just over £9,000 for this Sprinter. It's got 158,000 miles on it, and yeah, that is a lot of money for a van that's been around the world 8 times. But we do have our reasons, so let's get straight into them. So first one is that these things last forever. I know of several people who have Sprinters that have over 500,000 miles on them, and they will last that long. So in theory, this truck or van, I need to get used to saying van, this van has a lot of life left in it, and you can feel that when you drive this thing. It drives like an absolute champ. Let's get in it. With it being Mercedes, it's obviously built very well, and everything is commercial grade in this thing. So everything from the dashboard plastics to the seat materials, you've got full thick rubber matting on the floor. You just know this thing's going to last a long time. Now this one had a previous life as a carpenter's van and then a painter and decorator's van. Currently it's been stripped out, partially insulated, and is full of pallets. And I think it will serve well as our trusty steed for travelling around the world. Now, another factor I think that plays into the whole Sprinter price war is the fact that they are from a premium brand like Mercedes. Now, Citroens, Peugeots, Renaults, all of that sort of stuff don't have the same brand kudos as the Sprinter. The Sprinters are known as a Mercedes for being sort of a premium van, and they're known for sort of being amazing. Everybody, that's why DPD used them, DHL used them, all these big companies use Sprinter vans, and there's a very good reason for that. It's because they are excellent trucks. So because they've got that good reputation, people are willing to pay far more for them than they are other vans. Now this does, like I say, come to fruition in the fact that these things do last absolutely ages, but I think there's one other major one that means that these Sprinters are expensive compared to other vans, and I think that's the whole sort of van life movement, camper vans, etc. The typical van life van is a Mercedes Sprinter. It's the one that they all use in the States. It is the go-to platform for building any sort of van build. They're just huge inside. This is only a medium wheelbase, but it gives you plenty of space to work with. I think the fact that they are so durable plays into that, because if you're going to spend thousands of pounds converting a van, you want it to last. And look, you've got plenty of space in here. Obviously quite a bit of work to do before we turn it into that, but yeah, they are the go-to van. And part of the reason why I decided to buy mine, or we decided to buy ours, Mrs. DL and I, was because of that sort of reliability and their reputation for just being absolute beasts. So yeah, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Why do you think these hold their price so well? Are they worth it? I personally think they are. That's why we bought one. And I think it's a good investment. It's going to last us well into the future. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.